Hello, wonderful people. It is Eli, back with another Monday Memo. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I have a few things to discuss with you, and then I will be out of your hair. So let's get into it.
Let's get this party started.
Raise your hand if you have taken your NAR Code of Ethics course. Well, if you haven't taken your ethics course yet, you still have a small window to take it. All agents are required to take this course every 3 years, and the 3-year cycle will end December 31st, 2024. To check your Code of Ethics status, click the link in the description box. As an RSC subscriber, a benefit you get is MLS Touch. If you would like to advance your skill in the app, instructor Angelo Romero will be teaching a class on it. It is October 15th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the PPR training room. You will receive 1 CE credit. If you would like to sign up for this class, register in your member portal.
That's an app. What's an app?
Have you thought about stepping over into the world of property management? Well, you're in luck. Instructor Daniel Muldoon will be teaching the class Intro into Property Management. It is on October 23rd from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The cost is $35, and you will receive 3 CE credits. If you are interested in this class, head to your member portal.
There's the rent, Frank.
Are you looking for a costume party to attend for Halloween? Well, look no further. YPN and RPN are having their annual Halloween party on October 24th from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at the Ghost Town Museum. The tickets are $66, and we will have a specialty drink for $20. All proceeds will go to the Springs Rescue Mission. It will be a night full of fun, music, and food. There will also be awards for Best Individual, Couple, Group, Funniest, and Scariest Costume. Tickets are limited, so don't wait. Buy your tickets in the member portal now. The annual installation celebration is around the corner. It is a special night where the newly elected officers get recognized, as well as awards are given out to fellow members of the association. The cost is $100, and dinner will be served. If you would like to attend this wonderful event, register online or email or call Angela for her to reserve your spot. It's guaranteed to be a night to remember.
Give me the trophy!
Well, that's all I got for this Monday Memo. Thank you all for watching. It means a lot when you do. Until next time.